So let's start learn PowerPoint. So typically refers to a Microsoft PowerPoint, or I can say a Microsoft Office PowerPoint, a presentation program developed by a Microsoft. It is a powerful tool for creating and delivering a presentation. So, why what exactly the PowerPoint? Only we are delivering a presentation for presentation purpose only. Okay. So, offering features like a slide layout, animation, and multimedia integrations. So these features we have inside of PowerPoint. I'm saying this is a recap only. I cannot show all features inside of that. Let's go to the search engine and type over here PowerPoint. You can see the applications and logo how look like. Just open that PowerPoint. You can see right now I'm opening PowerPoint. Let me close this window extra. So this is the surface about your PowerPoint. So this is your launching window. Okay. Left hand side, you can see we have the one, two, three, four, five tabs. First is home, second new, third is open, fourth is account, and C is option. Okay, this kind of tab we have. Let me cancel it and let me give to the information about this. I'm going to the PowerPoint again. Let me open PowerPoint. Okay, and inside of that, let me go to the home. So home is a combination about new and open. You can see when I'm clicking on new, there is a two types of templates. First is a blank template and second is a predefined. So what is exactly difference between blank and predefined? Blank means we are doing with our own, means from scratch, and predefined means it's already given by our Microsoft Office. Okay, so let's go. After that, open is tab we are using for if suppose we have a existing document, so we can open that our previous PowerPoint presentation. Here is a noticeable thing, like in Word we are using which extension. In Word we are using .docx extension, but in Microsoft Office PowerPoint we are using .pptx extension. So the both are different. PowerPoint always presenting which extension .pptx. Okay, let's go. So that's why I'm saying home is a combination about new tab and open tab. Why? Because inside of new there is a two types of template. First is a blank presentation and second is a predefined. Okay, so you can see in home, in upside there is a predefined and the blank one. Okay, after that when I'm going to the open, I can open previous document I have already worked. So when I'm going over here, this is a predefined, this is the whatever I opened previously, it is over here. So that's why I'm saying home is a combination about new and open. Accounts, when I'm clicking on accounts, this is the information about who is actually a holder of this account, handler, or there is a how many products I have inside of my Microsoft Office and which version I'm using. So that is all about information about who as a handler. Okay. After that, options means if I want to change any settings or any changes, options inside of my PowerPoint, I can do over here. Suppose I want to change a quick access toolbar. You can see the upside I have the quick access toolbar. I'm going inside of quick access toolbar. Right now I have only the four options inside of my quick access toolbar: save, undo, redo, and from beginning to start. So these four options we have. If suppose I want to add any one more extra options, I'm just clicking on the uh, copy. Okay, and just adding in this box. Okay, just say add. Right now you can see there is no any extra added icon. Let me say okay, so extra icon is there. Okay, so this is how I can add. Go to the again files, go to the options, and just again remove that whatever we done. I want to go to the quick access toolbar. Okay, remove this copy whatever we already placed. Just say remove. It will be removed and say okay. So this is how we can remove whatever we added. So I think so you understood about the layout. Okay.